Hello traders, you are welcome to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up and use the bar timer indicator for MT4 and MT5. Okay, you can find the links to both the MT4 and MT5 versions in the description below. Now, once you have downloaded the indicator, you just head over to your MT4 or your MT5 platform, and then you add the indicator file to the indicators folder. After that, you head back to your terminal, you right click in the navigators box and you refresh. Having done that, you look for the bar timer and just drag and drop. Okay, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then as for your inputs, you can see the customizable settings there. You can change the font name, the font size, the font color, then the corner, depending on the corner where you want it to be, and then the X distance and Y distance, right? So having done that, you click on OK, right? So I think we're going to have to change the font color. I forgot that my my background is white, so of course I have to change this to black or another color so that it can be displayed. Okay, so you can see, you have to change. If you're using a white background, you have to change the color from the default white to another color of your choice. Now, basically, this indicator is a simple indicator, right? But it helps you to display a countdown that is showing it ought to show you how much time is left for the indicator or for the candle to close. All right, but then this indicator displays in percentage. All right, now the market is closed currently, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to head on to the BTC USD chart. Okay, I'm just going to, because the BTC USD of course is open even during the weekend. So we're going to add the bar timer indicator. So we need to understand how the indicator works. Okay, now from the look of things, the indicator likely shows you the percentage of the candle that has formed, right? Because now if we go across different time frames, we can see this is the 1 hour chart. It's showing 8%, and you can see these dots, right? So this 1 hour candle, it seems like it's just starting. Okay, we can see as at the time of recording, this is about 5 minutes past 10 o'clock. So this indicator shows you the percentage of the candle that has formed so far, if I'm not mistaken. So 9%, it has increased from 8 to 9% now. So now if we head on to the 30 minutes, you can see 18% of the candle has formed. As the candle is progressing, you will notice that this will be shifting from left to right. Let's head on to the 1 minute, because 1 minute ought to be faster. Okay, so you can see it's increasing faster. So this shows that the 1 minute candle is already more than halfway formed, 75%, and so on and so forth. So when the candle forms completely, this should get to 100%. So if you are the kind of trader that depends on candle opens, candle close and all of that, you can find this indicator valuable. You can see it has gotten to 100, new candle formed, and it started afresh from 0%. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well, so you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.